Welcome to Motor Connect. This is a quick walk around video of the Toyota Auris hybrid that we've got available. As you can see, we've got front parking sensors. As we come to the side, you can see it's got the 17-inch alloy wheels. As we come into the cabin, you see you got your leather covered steering wheel with multifunction steering wheel controls. It's got the satellite navigation system, dual zone climate control, heated seats. You got the privacy glass at the rear, and then as we come round to the back, you can see you've got your rear parking sensors and reversing camera. It's a really good car. It does lots of miles to the gallon with it being a hybrid, 72.4 miles to the gallon on average. It's in the blue. Very desirable car, cheap to run, great round town vehicle. You want any more information on the vehicle? Give us a call on 01606 539 359 or go to the website motorconnect.co.uk.